capital J. It is small g. In this video, we will learn words which begin with letter J.
J for juice. J for jawar. J for jam. J for jeep. J for jar. J for justice. J for jump. J for jug. J for join. J for jackal. J for jasmine. J for jazz. J for jellyfish. J for jet. J for jigsaw. J for joystick. J for judo. J for junction. J for Jupiter. J for jack. J for jed. J for jail. J for jaw. J for jewelry. J for jojoba seeds. J for judge. J for jumbled. J for jumbo. J for junk food. J for jacket. J for jeans. J for joker. J for juggler. J for joy. J for jogging. Thank you.